Are you secretly sabotaging your own success? You might be surprised to learn that mental weakness could be holding you back from achieving your dreams. In this eye-opening video, we'll reveal 15 shocking signs of mental weakness that you may not even realize you're exhibiting. Failing to address these issues could leave you stuck in a cycle of unfulfillment and missed opportunities. Stay tuned to discover which of these signs you might be displaying. The results may surprise you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more life-changing insights. 1. The echo chamber of negativity. You internalize every negative comment, allowing others to define your self-worth. Like a sponge, you absorb criticism and replay hurtful conversations in your mind, fantasizing about witty comebacks. This behavior is similar to constantly refreshing your social media feed after posting, obsessing over every like and comment, letting others' opinions shape your mood and self-image. 2. The emotional suppression trap. You bottle up your emotions, allowing negative experiences to haunt you for years. This is akin to holding on to a grudge against a classmate who embarrassed you in middle school, letting that single incident color your interactions and self-perception well into adulthood. The weight of these suppressed emotions can manifest in unexpected ways, affecting your relationships and overall well-being. 3. The blame game master. You consistently deflect responsibility, viewing yourself as a perpetual victim. This behavior is similar to a student who always has an excuse for missing assignments. The dog ate their homework, their computer crashed, or they suddenly fell ill. By avoiding accountability, you miss valuable opportunities for growth and self-improvement. 4. The chronic worrier. Anxiety consumes your thoughts, leaving you paralyzed by indecision and fear of the unknown. This is like someone who spends hours agonizing over which restaurant to choose for dinner, afraid of making the wrong choice and ruining the entire evening. This constant state of worry prevents you from fully engaging in life and seizing new opportunities. 5. The pain avoider. You prioritize short-term comfort over long-term growth, shying away from any form of discomfort. This is similar to someone who consistently chooses the elevator over the stairs, missing out on the health benefits of daily exercise. By avoiding necessary challenges, you limit your personal and professional development. 6. The past prisoner. You're trapped by past experiences, allowing them to dictate your present and future. This is like someone who was rejected by their high school crush and now avoids all romantic relationships, convinced they're unlovable. By clinging to past hurts, you close yourself off to new, potentially positive experiences. 7. The mental junk food junkie. You consume low-quality mental content, neglecting to nourish your mind with valuable information. This is akin to someone who spends hours scrolling through celebrity gossip sites instead of reading educational articles or books. This habit can lead to a narrowed worldview and stunted personal growth. 8. The passive aggressor. You avoid direct confrontation, resorting to subtle jabs and silent treatment. This behavior is similar to a colleague who agrees to take on extra work but then complains behind the boss's back instead of addressing their concerns directly. This approach often leads to unresolved conflicts and strained relationships. 9. The external validation seeker. Your self-worth is entirely dependent on others' opinions and approval. This is like an influencer who obsessively checks their follower count and engagement rates, basing their mood on these fluctuating numbers. This mindset can lead to a constant state of insecurity and an inability to make decisions independently. 10. The emotional leech. You rely on others for your happiness, unable to find contentment within yourself. This behavior is similar to someone who constantly needs their partner's attention and reassurance, becoming upset when they don't receive constant validation. This dependency can strain relationships and prevent personal growth. 11. The Perpetual Pessimist. You automatically assume the worst in every situation, missing out on potential opportunities. This is like someone who refuses to apply for their dream job, convinced they'll never get it anyway. This negative outlook can become a self-fulfilling prophecy, limiting your success and happiness. 12. The motivation vacuum. You struggle to motivate yourself, even for tasks you know are important. This is similar to someone who buys a gym membership but never goes, always finding excuses to put it off. This lack of self-motivation can lead to stagnation in various areas of your life. 13. The pressure cooker. You crumble under pressure, unable to perform when it matters most. This is like a student who studies diligently but blanks out during exams due to anxiety. This inability to handle stress can significantly impact your personal and professional life, holding you back from achieving your full potential. 14. The chronic procrastinator. You consistently delay important tasks, leading to last-minute panic and subpar results. This is similar to someone who waits until the night before a big presentation to start preparing, resulting in a rushed and poorly executed delivery. This habit can damage your reputation and limit your opportunities for advancement. 15. The emotional escape artist. You use humor or other coping mechanisms to avoid dealing with serious issues. This is like someone who makes jokes during a serious conversation about relationship problems, preventing any real progress or resolution. While these tactics may provide temporary relief, they ultimately hinder personal growth and problem-solving abilities. In conclusion, recognizing these signs of mental weakness is the first step towards overcoming them. By addressing these issues head-on, you can build mental resilience and unlock your true potential. If you're intrigued about how mental strength can lead to a lifestyle of success and fulfillment, keep watching our previous videos. We tackle more ways to achieve your goals and reveal the surprising benefits that await those who cultivate mental toughness. Your journey to a stronger, more successful you starts now.